Hey, what's up, guys? My shop finally got the triple threads foosball. So I'm gonna give this a shot. If you didn't see my baseball triple threads box I broke, pretty awesome. Rivera, Ford and Berra triple jersey auto out of that. So I'm hoping that I can continue the nastiness on triple threads. Seen some really nice stuff pulled. A couple 101s. So we'll see here. Looking for a Kafka. Nice little Eagles PC. I'll open them both up first. Some nice high-end stuff to put an end of the day here. They're both going to be singles. Singles, no books or anything. Off the back, got a Marino, Forte, MJD, Clinton Portis, and a Favre base. Looks like a brown. 12 of 36, Colt McCoy, Lifesaver. Triple jersey. I saw somebody else pull one of these. And he said he didn't know what the Lifesaver meant. McCoy teamed with his father to save a man in medical distress on Memorial Day in 2006. The rescue involved a 300-yard swim across a lake and a climb up a canyon face. So nice looking card there, Colt McCoy. Glad I opened the non-auto one first. I have to save the best hit for last. And I got Thomas Jones, Miles Austin, Dwayne Bowe, Matt Ryan, and it's a Titan rookie, Derek Morgan, 24 of 50. So not the greatest box, but still really nice stuff. I don't think he saved anybody's life. So, there you go. If you're interested in any of this stuff, you need any of it, let me know. Alright, see ya.